everybody, Peter Carpizos. Listen, here's a great recipe for you using ancient grains and using farro. You need your slow cooker out, and you need to use whatever protein you like, and 1 cup of farro, 1 onion, 3 peppers, multicolored or whatever kind you like. Green, red, yellow, orange, whatever kind of peppers you like. Cut them all up, alrighty? Put in a half cup of red wine, saute everything together, and water to cover. Turn it on your slow cooker for 3 hours on high. Let it cook everything together, and when you open it, check to see if it needs just a little bit of tomato sauce. Add it if you like, or don't add it, either way. And salt, a little garlic, the herbs you like, and there you have it. Ancient grain, farro, slow cook, delicious meal, stretch your dollars. So this is Peter Carpizos. Thank you all for